Okay, stop recording. Oh my god. I recorded like 2 videos. And literally both of them are... Can you stop? Guardian Gamer does have a good shield and ton of HP. Here comes me. I can click on anything. This is weird. This is actually... It's gone, dude. Everything I can click on is actually gone. Or am I lagging? Is that what's happening? Oh no! The metal level! Dude, I can't click! What the hell? On anything, man. Anything I can't click on. Hey yo! Hey yo! It's floating! Die! Crit, dude! Where's my critter? Did he die already? I think he died already. Dude. He didn't even crit, we're just killing her by brute force. Hitting the metal hip on it. By brute force. But I hate this elephant, it's so annoying. And what's the physical? Oh my god. The Guardian Gamer might actually die physically. This is bad. Knockback, please. I would really love that right now. Oh god. You should stall. You're halfway back. Oh no! Can't, bro. There's three Superman. There's 3 metal people. 3 met, bro. Okay. This is not going the way it was planned. Maybe we need Bahamut. Okay, maybe we need him out here. Maybe we definitely need Bahamut to stop this pushing. But how do we get Bahamut? That's the question. Okay, they're pushing, man. They're just going out brute force now. Oh, I hate this. This is trash. Crit! Why won't you crit? You ugly non-critter! You can't crit! But you don't choose to. I'm stopping the need shield now. Crit! Just crit! Do it! Come on! How much HP? Tell me. 27%. Bruh. Okay. Okay. Very sad. So there's 3 enemies. No BB/Nagisa kit. I don't know what does that mean. Okay. Will such joy. Well, that's one guy. What's the other? Like sometimes it's gonna be 3 faces. Oh, all bro. Okay. How powerful are bro? Very powerful. Hey yo, what the hell? Bruh, no. Oh wait, you got money. Oh, sham. Oh god, how much? Okay, stop. Ah, we're dead. Bye bye. How do we do this? How do we do this? I'm just gonna go for the 100Ks, man. Just 100Ks. I'm gonna get hopefully 1,200 user rank. Maybe today or tomorrow, but soon. Hello? Hello? Nobody. Die. Hello? Okay, there. There's nobody. It's just peon. Die. You won't die. Really? Okay, what's here? I wanna know. Somebody. Anyone? Boosh! Oh my god, dude. Okay, I'm gonna end the video now. Maybe tomorrow. I'll make a video soon. Bye bye. 3,